If you have Photoshop and Adobe CC, you have access to many custom brushes for free. So I'm going to show you how to install all these great brushes that are available to you. So activate the brush tool. You can go over and of course you can click brush tool, but I just like to hit the letter B on the keyboard. The brush tool is active, and then up here where you see the brush and the brush size, hit the drop down menu to open this brushes palette. There's a little gear icon, so click on the drop down menu on the gear icon, and here's the stuff that's available to you. The things that we are concerned with in this video is get more brushes and then import brushes. So first let's click get more brushes, and it'll take you eventually to the Adobe CC website that we're supposed to go to. And so okay, so now we have these access to these many brush packages, and they're beautiful stuff. I mean, it's amazing. So anyway, I'm going to choose one. I was looking for watercolor. Here it is. Okay, so I want watercolor, so I'm just going to simply click download, and it's downloading, and I'll pause the video here. Okay, so the brushes file has downloaded into my downloads folder. If you're on a Windows system, or if your preferences are set differently, it might download to a different folder, so be aware of where your folder is downloaded. So let me open this up in Finder, and again I'm on the Mac OS. So here's what happened. This watercolor.abr file has been downloaded into my downloads folder. Let me go back to Photoshop, and I will go to the same menu, the brushes palette here, hit the gear drop down menu, and I will choose import brushes right there. It took me a while to find it, so I'm going to click import brushes. I'm going to navigate to that ABR file that just came in, this watercolor.abr, and click open, and nothing happens, right? But you don't get any indication that it worked or anything. But like if I back at the brushes palette, if I scroll way down here, there it is. My friendly new watercolor folder has opened up. So let me just open this up and check it out, and I got all this great stuff, you know. So that is how you acquire and install new brushes in Photoshop. One thing, a bit of a caution, be advised that, you know, the size of these AVR files are pretty big, you know, so like if you like get a bunch of them, be aware of how much space they're taking up on your hard drive.